The journey began with nothing but a dream and a football. I never imagined that one day the world would know my name. Every goal, every victory, every defeat shaped the person I became. To every teammate who fought beside me, to every coach who believed in me, to every opponent who pushed me to become stronger, thank you. And to the millions of fans around the world, thank you for your love, your support, and for believing in me through every moment. Today, I leave this stage with my head held high and my heart full of gratitude. Football gave me everything I ever dreamed of. Now it's time for a new generation to write their own history. Chase your dreams. Work harder than anyone else. Never stop believing in yourself, because impossible is only impossible until someone proves it wrong. This may be my last World Cup, my last dance on football's greatest stage, but my love for this beautiful game will never end. As I walk away from this pitch, I don't say goodbye with sadness. I say goodbye with pride, because legends may leave the field, but their memories live forever. Thank you for letting me be part of your lives. Thank you for every cheer, every tear, every unforgettable moment. Goodbye, football. Goodbye, my friends. And remember, dream big. Believe in yourself, because one day the world may be cheering for you. Thank you, and farewell.